Hi everyone, this video I will show you how to use the average function in Excel. This function is really useful when you want to find the average or means of a group of numbers. So let's explain with two examples. So for example 1, we will type equal. So I already typed, I will delete this one. And I'll show equal average AVERAGE. So average and open bracket. So simply drag these three cells and close the bracket and enter. And in the second example, we can use the formula. For example, like we will keep the cursor here and this will go to this bar and get average and enter. So this average function normally used to find out average marks of a student. For example, if it is in the students' marks, so for the max, if there are some marks, 5 students, and if there are various marks they have taken, so collectively, how many average marks they have taken? For example, 50. So this is how we find out average. So I think this video is helpful to you, and if you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in more Excel videos. Thank you very much.